It's a gloriously blustery, windy day here on Ynysmon, the Isle of Anglesey, and I want to show you something interesting that I received this week. So these are the Ancient Wisdom of Cymru cards. Ooh. By Deborah Rose Halami, and also somebody that I've worked with in the past, Lucio Llewellyn, helped to design the cards as well. So these wonderful cards depict scenes and imagery inspired by Welsh myth and lore to dispense wisdom. So they're like an oracle card deck. Let's have a look at them. So of course they come with a little booklet. The booklet contains more information on the cards themselves. I absolutely love how compact the cards are. Usually oracle cards are huge and I struggle with shuffling them and moving them around and finding space to keep them. But these, they fit beautifully onto my altar spaces and such. So I could have them there as kind of, to call upon the entities that are depicted on the cards, or I could just pull one and see what comes up day by day with ease and comfort. So we've got Bendigeidfran, Dawn, here, Rhiannon, let's flick through some of these, Gwydion, oh my goodness, Blodeuwedd, oh, so many different cards, Nwifre there, ooh, and that's Modron, Manawydan, Taliesin, oh, there's Lleu, Pwyll, and I just love all the little details, oh, look at Arawn, oh my goodness, look at the Cwn a Nofyn, oh my gosh, I just love all the little details here and there. There's Ceridwen with her 3 drops of Awen, but it's the little things like Llech Gronw being in the background of Lleu's card, Gorsedd Arberth up there, oh, Aranrhod, oh my goodness, look at her, and then there's, I would assume, Caer Aranrhod and the stars above her. Absolutely fabulous work, and I can't wait to work with these. And if you'd like to get a set for yourself, act quick. They are a limited run, and you can get them here.